15 only %. Okay, Sairam to all of you.
Sarah ma'am.
Sairam. So we were discussing, we're doing the problems with standard deviation. We have done the individual series yesterday, and we have started the discrete series, and one problem you did, and the last problem you did was the size 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, frequency 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1, and the answer for that question is 3.07. So that was the thing you did. So you did direct method, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write the next question. Write the next question. Size 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Frequency 5, 10, 15, 20, 15, 10, 10, 15. I repeat the frequency 5, 10, 15, 20, 15, 10, 10, 15. These are the frequencies. You have to do it in shortcut method, right? Find the standard deviation. Find the standard deviation by shortcut method. By shortcut method. So by shortcut method, what do you mean by shortcut method? By assumed mean method. Okay? So whenever you are asked to find it out by shortcut method, you have to do it by assumed mean. No need to find out the mean. You just have to take the assumed mean, then deviation from that. Deviation from that means deviation from assumed mean. Then that deviation square, you square the deviation. Okay? Then you know f into dx or f into dx square, because you know the formula is standard deviation is sigma dx square upon n minus sigma dx by n the whole square. यहाँ पर dx आएगा कि f dx आएगा?
FDX.
Yes, do it. So the question, is, size is given, that is x is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the size given. So size means x. These are the size given. Then frequency given are frequency. What are the frequencies given? Frequencies given are 5. When you get the answer, tell me. 10, 15, 20, 15, 10, 10, 15, 15, 10, 10, and 15. Look at the board. Those who don't know to do the answer, look at the board. So these are the two things given. You are given the size that is x and frequency also given. And you know, you are asked to do it by shortcut method. Shortcut method means by assumed mean method. You are asked to do the problem with shortcut method means assumed mean method. Direct method you have already done. In the direct method, the deviation that is dx, deviation means dx is equal to x minus x bar. In the direct method, it is x minus x bar. Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
So in the direct method, the deviation is x minus x bar. तो इसके लिए you just first you have to find out mean, that is x bar. First mean find out करना पड़ेगा और each x में से आपको x bar minus करके लिखना पड़ेगा. And we don't ignore the sign, we have to consider the sign, positive or negative. So in that case you have studied, what you have studied? You have studied in the direct method, dx is equal to, that means deviation is equal to x minus x bar. That means each x minus x bar, whatever you get as mean. Suppose the mean is 10, each item 1 minus 10, here you will write 2 minus 10, here you will write 3 minus 10, here you will write 4 minus 10 here, 5 minus 10, 6 minus 10, 7 minus 10, 8 minus 10. So likewise, if you get 10 as the mean, that is dx. But here, as we are following the shortcut method, instead of mean, you will take the assumed mean. You will take the assumed mean. So here, it is x minus a. X minus a. That means x minus a bar a. That is assumed mean. X minus a you have to find out in the first step. Every x minus a. Here for uniformity, you take 5 as assumed mean. For uniformity, you take 5 as assumed mean. 5 को assumed mean माना. So in this case, instead of mean, as it is a shortcut method, we are doing assumed mean. 5 we are taking as assumed mean. So here x minus a, that is 1 minus 5, 2 minus 5, 3 minus 5, 4 minus 5, 5 minus 5. Likewise, you will here write the item 1 minus 5, 2 minus 5, 3 minus 5, 4 minus 5, 5 minus 5, 6 minus 5, 7 minus 5, 8 minus 5. So this is your dx column. This is your dx column. Next column is, you know, as it is a frequency distribution, there is no value of dx, no importance of dx as we have frequency. So it is to be f ds means 5 into minus 4. Next column should be f dx column. Next column should be f dx column. So you have to make f dx column next, f into dx. There is no value of deviation without multiplying it with the 5 or frequency. So the next column should be f dx column, and in the f dx column you will write f into dx. What do you mean by f dx? F into dx, that is f dx. Minus 30. Anyone got the answer? किसी को आंसर मिला है तो बोलो.
Yes, ma'am, मिल गया.
Yes, ma'am.
क्या मिला?
Ma'am, 2.07.
Good.
2.07.
Good. As I am presenting, I am not able to understand. One is Sambhav and the other is Priyanshu.
Shivam.
Shiv. Okay. So FDX 0, 10, 20 and 45. So this is the FDX column. So as I told you, here we have to consider the positive and negative signs. Don't ignore it. So you got FDX column. And next, you know, the next thing is you have to do the dx square column. Actually इसके बाद होना था ds के बाद ds square. चलो इधर ही बना लेते हैं ds square column. I will make it here ds square column. Then you make f into dx square. So this is dx square over here. Dx square. Dx square, that is 16, 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9. This is the dx square. Now the next column should be f into dx square. So you have to know fdx and fds square both because you just remember the formula. The formula for standard deviation is root of fdx square by n minus fdx by n the whole square. So you need both these things in this case. So you just have to sum it only fds column and fds square column, and of course this n. What is the total number of total n? There is sigma f. What is sigma s? F. Sigma f is n. In this case, what is it?
100.
Okay, fine. 100. N is equal to 100 because this is a discrete series. Doesn't mean the number of items, it means the total frequency. Okay, now you have to do f into dx square. That is 5 into 16. How much is 5 into 16? 18. 5 into 16. F into these two columns. F dx square means f into dx square. 80. 10 into 9, 90. 15 into 4, right? 60. 15 into 4 is 60. 20 into 1 is 20. Then 0. What we are doing? F column into d square column. 10 into 1 is 10. 10 into 4 is 40. And 15 into 9 is 135. 15 into 9 is 135. So now you got fdx column and fdx square column. And what is sigma fdx? Sigma fdx कितना मिला? 75 minus 75 plus 75 है minus 100 है. So minus 25 मिलेगा ना? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ पर 100 है, minus 100 है और plus 75 है. तो minus 25 मिलेगा sigma fdx. Sigma fdx is equal to minus 25. Then sigma fdx square is equal to कितना मिला? 5.
435.
3 plus 1, 4. 435. So here, what are the things you got with this? Number n is equal to total frequency is equal to 100. That you got. Then sigma fdx is equal to कितना मिला? Minus 25 मिला. Then sigma fdx square is equal to sigma fdx square is equal to 435 mila. So whatever you wanted according to the equation, you got it. Now you just substitute. You just substitute in the formula. You know the formula is standard deviation is equal to root of sigma fdx square upon n, fdx square upon n minus sigma fds by n the whole square. sigma f, wait a minute, sigma f dx by n the whole square. I will write it down. Remember the formula, and the formula will guide you to do the quotient, because whatever you wanted according to the formula you have to find out. So standard deviation is equal to sigma f dx square upon n, f ds square upon n minus, तो सब प्रॉब्लम है यहाँ पर माइनस नहीं आना चाहिए, इसको ऐसे डालना चाहिए, ओके, माइनस sigma f dx by n the whole square, and the whole square, that's it, everything is in the root. This is the thing, this is the formula. And now instead of this you write 435 upon 100, and for this minus 25 upon 100 the whole square, then you have to find out the root, that's all. So you have to write 435 upon 100, 435 upon 100 minus 25 upon 100 the whole square, okay, minus 25 upon 100 the whole square, that will give you, so here standard deviation is equal to root of sigma f dx square upon n. Write many times so that it will remain in your mind. F dx by n the whole square. This is the thing. This is the formula. And according to this problem, your sigma f dx square is 435, that upon 100 minus 25 upon 100 the whole square. Solve it, you will get the answer. Root, छोड़ना नहीं root को. So here 4.35, क्या मिला 4.35, 1/4 है ना, 24 से 100 minus 1/4, right? इसका डेसिमल नोट ढूंढो, इसका रूट निकालो. So the answer you will be getting as, what is the answer you told? Is it 2.07?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, don't take this much time. 15-20 minutes for a question, we cannot allocate. 15 minutes have taken. So this is 435 upon 100, that is 4.35, minus 25 upon 100, that is 1/4. 1/4 को क्या लिखेंगे? 1/4 है क्या? ये 100 है, 25 by 100 था ना? क्या 25 by 10 था? क्या था?
25 by 100.
25 by 100, the whole square, right? Yes. So 1/4 क्या मिलेगा? 0.25 मिलेगा ना? 0.25 का 4.35, then 0.25, इसको सब करके सोल्व करके उसका रूट निकालो, you will get 2.07. सो -1/4 का स्क्वायर बोलने से +1/16 आ जाएगा, isn't it? -1/4 -1/4 का स्क्वायर लेने से -1/4 into -1/4 that is -25 into -25 प्लस आ जाएगा, प्लस 6.25 आ जाएगा. ओके, माइनस माइनस साइन स्क्वायर में जाके ये -1.4 नहीं है, इधर स्क्वायर भी है, -1/4 स्क्वायर, तो उसको डेसिमल में डालो, 0.25 स्क्वायर कर दो माइनस, तो दोनों आके वहां पर प्लस हो जाएगा, स्क्वायर के जगह प्लस हो जाएगा. सो 4.35 से वट एवर अमाउंट यू गेट देयर यू जस्ट माइनस, देन यू विल गेट, फाइंड आउट द रूट, देन यू विल गेट 2.07. सो दैट्स इट. Did you understand how to do it? Aditi? Aditi, did you get the answer? Daksh?
Yes, ma'am.
Kanishka?
Ma'am, there is some
Miriam?
calculation mistake in mine. I think so. I'm not getting the answer.
Did you understand how to do it?
Yes, ma'am, I understood, but my answer is not coming. I'm trying second
Okay,
time.
the root part you do afterwards, because 25 minutes we cannot give for a particular question. The root part you do at home. Read it, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So I hope you understood how to find it out. So the root part you do at home. The substitution is like this, and rest of the part you do at home. I hope you understood how to do the calculation part. Like you just have to substitute 435 upon 100 minus 25 upon 100. Here you will get -1/4. So put the decimal for that. -1/4 क्या होगा? Decimal में 1/4 क्या आएगा? Huh? No answer. What is the decimal of 1/4?
I'm 0.25.
हाँ, 0.25. तो 1/4 के instead of 1/4 you can write -0.25. So 0.25 का स्क्वायर कितना आएगा? 0.25 का स्क्वायर जो आएगा उसमें ध्यान से लिखना, फिर उसको माइनस नहीं लिखना, बिकॉज 0.25 -0.25 into -0.25 जो भी लिखेगा उसको प्लस लिखना, फिर उसको 4.35 से माइनस करना, देन फाइंड आउट द what root. Okay, understood it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then we will move to the next question. So this was a discrete series. Next we will do the continuous series. Continuous series, write the heading continuous series. Aditi Soni, Kanishka, Khushi Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
If you won't respond, I will remove you from the meet. Okay, the next question. Right, continuous series. Continuous series. Continuous series में question लिखो. Calculate standard deviation through direct method. So हर series में सारे method करेंगे. Continuous series heading, calculate standard deviation by direct method. Write the size. Write the size, that means the class 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12. These are the classes. Now write the frequency 2, 4, 6, 4, 2, 6. These are the frequencies. These are frequency. These are the class. Okay. You are asked to find out the standard deviations through direct method. Okay. So first of all, you know, in a continuous series, we cannot do it like this. You have to find out the mid values. Isn't it? We have to find out the mid values. Mid values nikalo 0 to 2. Mid value kya aayega? 2 plus 0 upon 2. That is?
1.
Kaise? 2 itself. Is 2, sorry. 2 by 2 is 1. So what is the mid value of this? What is the mid value?
3.
1.
1.
2 by 2
3,
is
5, 7, 9, 11.
it's 1. Okay? 1. Then 6 by 2, that is 3.
3, 5,
Then 5,
7, 9 and 11.
9 and 11. Mid value to मिल गया. अभी whenever the continuous class is given, now this is our, we have to work with this. ये है, ये mid value होगा अपना this x. This is our mid value is our x. ठीक है? And frequency is already written here. We have the frequency over here. Frequency है, mid value है. अभी डायरेक्ट मेथड है. डायरेक्ट मेथड और शॉर्टकट मेथड में क्या डिफरेंस है? इन द डायरेक्ट मेथड वी टेक द डेविएशन फ्रॉम मीन. In the direct method, we take the deviation from mean, that is x minus x bar. Direct method में ये है. And in the shortcut method, x minus assumed mean. हम इसको shortcut कर दिया, mean assume कर दिया. Okay, that is shortcut method. So here, your next step is to find out mean. Continuous series में mean कैसे find out करते हैं अपन? Mean कैसे मिलेगा? fm upon, that is fx upon n. F into x upon n. So arithmetic mean is equal to fx upon n. Because here we don't have the assumed mean. हम direct method से कर रहे हैं. तो fx upon n is equal to arithmetic mean. So find out arithmetic mean. So the next step you want is f into x. fx करना पड़ेगा. Mean find out करने के लिए mid value into frequency, that is x into frequency. 2, 12, 30, 28,
18 and 66.
and 66. 66. ये हम क्यों कर रहे हैं? In order to find out x bar, that is mean. 14, 44, 52, 62, 72, 80, 90, 156. Sigma fx is equal to 156 sigma fx. Sigma fx 156. Therefore, arithmetic mean is equal to 156 upon, and therefore 6, 12, 16, 18, 24, right? N is equal to 24. And तो 24 मिला. अभी 156 upon 24. This is the arithmetic mean.
6.5.
चलो 6.5 मिल गया. Arithmetic mean is 6.5. जब decimals में आता है थोड़ा calculation time लेता है deviation में. So your arithmetic mean is 6.5 because they have asked for a direct method. If they don't clarify which method you have to do, you can do it with any method like a shortcut method, set deviation method, or whatever you like. Okay, so you will not have to find out arithmetic mean. One step you can avoid. So here, but you are asked to find it out through the direct method. So definitely you have to find out arithmetic mean. For arithmetic mean, what is the formula here? Fx by n, sigma fx by n, f into every item. That is fx. F into every item. Every item here means a mid value. Because we can't do with that continuous class, we have to find a fixed value. That value is x, f into x. So 156 upon 24, that is 6.5. You go the mean. Now you will go to find out, you have to find out the deviation. Deviation means every x minus x bar. What is x minus x bar? Dx. That is deviation. Find out the deviation x minus x bar. That means 1 minus 6.5. 3 minus 6.5, 5 minus 6.5, 7 minus 6.5, 9 minus 6.5, 11 minus 6.5. Likewise, you have to find out the deviation. Okay? Find out the deviation x minus x bar. 1 minus 6.5 क्या मिलेगा? Minus 5.5. Minus 5.5. अभी 3 है तो minus 3.5. Minus 1.5. Point 5. 7 में तो 0.5 आएगा. अभी 9 में तो क्या आएगा? 2.5 आएगा, है ना? या 2.5 आएगा. 11 में क्या आएगा? 4.5 आएगा. ओके, अब ये पॉजिटिव एक साथ कैलकुलेट करो, नेगेटिव एक साथ कैलकुलेट करो. नेगेटिव कितना आएगा? 3.5, 4, 9, 10.5 ना. नेगेटिव आएगा 10.5. नेगेटिव का टोटल आएगा 10.5. ये सब का टोटल आएगा 10.5. इतने का टोटल आएगा 10.5. नेगेटिव 10.5. ये आएगा 7.5. सो 10.5 माइनस 7.5. चलो यहाँ पर नोट्स में इसकी जरूरत नहीं है, समेशन करने की जरूरत नहीं है. डिविएशन का स्क्वायर निकालो. अभी स्क्वायर निकालो. स्क्वायर x माइनस एक्स बार जो मिला है उसका स्क्वायर ऑफ डिविएशन. स्क्वायर ऑफ डिविएशन निकालो. 5.5 का स्क्वायर कितना मिला?
30.25.
ओके, 30.25. 55 का स्क्वायर देख लेना और 2 डेसिमल डाल देना. दैट्स ऑल. का स्क्वायर देख लेना, 2 डेसिमल डाल देना. 15 into 15 are 225. 2.25 आएगा. Find out the square of deviation. So if this column you will write the square. इधर स्क्वायर आएगा, उसके बाद f into that square. This f into जो स्क्वायर इधर लेते हैं उसको लिखना fx स्क्वायर. तो यहाँ पर आएगा f into यहाँ पर जो x स्क्वायर लिखा है ना, यहाँ पर fx स्क्वायर आएगा. So according to the formula ना, in the direct method we write sigma fx square by n. Listen, according to the formula in the direct method, we write sigma fx square by n. तो x को हम यहाँ तक लेकर आए deviation, then deviation का square, उसको f से multiply करके fx square बनाना. X square means this deviation. Actually, it is understood that it's the deviation square, dx square actually. So 5.5 का बोला 30.25. 30.25. थोड़ा calculation difficult होगा because it is coming in decimal. इसका square है 12.25. This is 2.25. This is 0.25 because 5 5s are 25, 2 decimal. 6.25. 25, 5, 25 into 25, 625. So 6.25. 4.5, 2025. 2025. So 20.25. So these are the squares. Abhi f into this square. F into this square. Okay, I will write it here just to see. This is 60 point. Somebody did it? 50.
50.
Yes. As it is decimal, that's why it is the calculation is little difficult. Otherwise, the calculation is very easy. This is 100, so 1.00. This is 12.50. 12.50. And this is 121.50. 121.50. Little calculation, it will take a little time. So this is fx square. Now you have to write sigma fx square. Sigma fx square. It will come up to, anybody got it? Sigma fx square? किसी को मिला है क्या? It is 258. Not it.
Yes, ma'am, मिल गया.
Sigma fx square is, yes, 258. Sigma fx square is 258.
Yes, ma'am. 2.
So you just need sigma fx square in this. Okay, you just need sigma fx square in this case because the formula is root of sigma fx square upon n. Formula khatam because it's a direct method. So it is just root of 258 upon 24. Root of 258 upon 24. So the formula is standard deviation is equal to root of sigma fx square upon n. Write it. Fx square upon n. So here you got standard deviation is equal to 258 root of 258 upon 24. 258 upon 24. What is the answer? Find out the answer. Whatever you get. Got the answer, anyone? Answer given in the book is
3.28.
okay. Yeah, 3.28. That is the answer. So if the calculator is with you, it is very easy, isn't it? 3.28. That's the answer. So let us have a look. Direct methods are continuous series, frequency. Continuous series is to be converted. This item mid values we have to take. Then, as it's a direct method, we have to find out mean, So fx upon n, so fx करना पड़ेगा. Shortcut method of the fx की जरूरत नहीं है. This line, you do not want this line. This particular column की जरूरत नहीं है because assumed mean लेके सीधे सीधे deviation find out करना है. But as this is a direct method, mean you have to find out. So mean के लिए fx we have here. Fx means sigma fx upon n. That is mean. That is 156 upon 24. Mean कितना मिला था हमको? 6.5. What's the mean we got? 6.5. Mean मिला था हमको 6.5. So that means here this column x minus x bar. That means every x minus 6.5. Here you can write instead of x bar, you can write x minus 6.5. So that was the next column. Deviation, for deviation, this was the column x minus 6.5. Then this deviation square, you have to take the deviation of, sorry, square of this deviation. So square here. Next is f into this x square. Okay, so next is this f into this x square. That only we need, that sigma. F into x square. Then that fx square, you have the total, that is sigma 258. That is to be substituted in this formula, sigma fx square upon n. Root of sigma fx square upon n. That is 258 upon 24. That is 3.28. This is the answer. So this way you will do the standard deviation in which series? Standard deviation in which series? ये कौन सा series था? Continuous series. Standard deviation in continuous series by which